In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit form fields in Hubspot. In order to do that, you first need to locate your form, typically found under the Marketing tab. Under this, click on Forms and select your form. I already found my form here in my recent activity, so let me open it. Once you're on your form, head over and click on Edit Form. This will open your form editor. Here, you can edit the form fields that you currently have. For now, we have first name, last name, and email. You can edit these fields or add more. Click on the plus icon to add additional fields. For example, let's add a date field. Just drag it to wherever you want to place it, in this case beside the email field. Once done, it will be added directly. Sometimes it may take a few seconds to load, but once it's loaded, you can edit or delete fields as needed. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more HubSpot guides, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.